Peppa Pig and the Silly Sniffles, Part 4. Everyone wants to see inside Pedro's cast. Candy Cat draws a flower. Danny Dog draws a parrot. Zoe Zebra draws Mr. Potato. Dr. Peppa draws a muddy puddle. "Oh, I think I have the sniffles too," says Candy Cat. "Can you help me, Dr. Peppa?" "Yes, me too," says Danny Dog. "I need a cast." Everyone wants Dr. Peppa to help. There's so many casts. Oh my gosh. "I still have the sniffles," says Pedro, "but I feel so much better. Thank you, Nurse Susie." "Thank you, Dr. Peppa."